Well, if you're charged with a DUI, there is a reality that you may lose your driver's license. It's certainly not the goal, but you have to be prepared just in case. And if you do lose your license, you will need something called SR22 insurance for a period of 3 years. So, what is SR22 insurance? Well, it isn't actually auto insurance at all. It's actually a certificate filed by an insurance company with, in this case, the Washington State Department of Licensing to prove that a driver carries the minimum required liability coverage. Yeah, its roots go back to the mid-20th century when states began looking for ways to monitor high-risk drivers more closely after serious traffic violations like a DUI. The SR22, well, it became a compliance tool, a paper trail essentially showing continuous coverage, not a special insurance policy. Now, states typically require SR22 insurance after offenses like DUI, but also other charges like reckless driving. So basically anything that would suspend your driver's license. The goal, at least according to the government, is accountability. So if your coverage lapses, the insurer must notify the state, which would then trigger an immediate license suspension. So, make sense? Of course not. But it is required for lawful driving, so make sure you have it, even though the reason behind it is not necessarily logical or common sense. It is a government mandate that has, unfortunately, no basis in reality. However, it is required if you lose your license, so be sure you file it on time and keep it up to date. And if you've been arrested or charged with DUI in either Skagit or Whatcom County, please give my law firm a call. The only thing we do in our practice is represent those accused of DUI.